Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we are giving an update on Torchlight Energy. We've been giving you the updates on these for quite some time now, since the start of this year, and boy have we seen a crazy run up. We are pretty much sitting at all-time highs right now, and it seems like it is just getting started. There's a lot of news around this one, okay, and today is a big day for any Torchlight shareholders. Today is one special day that we've been waiting for quite some time, since buying in to Torchlight. If you appreciate all the updates on Torchlight Energy and other stocks on my channel, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, we're going to keep giving you updates on these, and as the anticipation builds around this merger with Torchlight Energy, things are definitely starting to look very interesting indeed. Okay, we'll have a quick look at the stock price. The market is now open. We currently trade for just over $9 a share. We see a crazy run up this week. On the 5-day chart, we're up about 65% right now. But look at this. Look at the 6-month chart. We started buying into this one around about January time, okay? Just around about the $1-ish mark. And look at that graph. It looks insane. People have started to realize what's going on with this one, the merger with Meta Materials. And we've been following this one. If you want all the updates, check out some previous videos. I will be doing a Q&A video later on Torchlight as well. So if you have any questions, hopefully drop them down in the comments, and hopefully I'll get around to answering them as well. But we did get an update from Torchlight just yesterday. Torchlight provides update on the business combination timing and payment date for the dividend. A lot of you guys are waiting for that dividend. You have to own the dividend. You have to own this stock by today. You need to buy in today to be eligible to get the dividend. That is the big bit of news, and you must know that. If you want to get that dividend, there's no point buying in after today. You will not be eligible. You need to own the stock by today, which is why I do think we will see a green day. We're a bit red at the opening, but I think we'll see a green day as the day goes on, okay? But right now, you can see the extension provides the timing for the June the 24th record date and the June the 25th of the payment date. You're going to get that stock dividend share by June the 25th, okay? And that was declared back on June the 14th. Well, this is basically an extension. They are saying here that the company expects to close the arrangement no later than June the 30th. So by the end of this month, this merger should go through. Now, there's a few things that have to happen with this merger going through, okay? And one of the key things is the short sellers must cover their positions. Okay, so we're going to be getting Mmat come the end of this month. We hope so anyway. I really want to show you this one bit of news very quickly, actually. Was Torchlight Energy upsizes a stock offering by 150 million, but the shares keep climbing. Normally when you do a stock offering, the price of a stock goes down. People don't like this, okay? But they are taking advantage of this. They are raising more and more money. It was supposed to be 100 million, as I put out in a previous video. But as you can see, they're taking advantage of this huge upsize trend and have gone to 150 million. I won't be surprised to see this go up again if the share price keeps climbing as well. And one of the main reasons this is climbing is the merger, the dividend, but like I say, the short sellers need to cover their positions. And with that being said, what do Wall Street bets like? They love short sold stocks, okay? GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry. Shorts love those stocks, and obviously these stocks have been on the rise trying to get those short sellers out, okay? And you can see it's starting to catch on with Wall Street bets. Meme stock investors head to oil patch as shale producer soars. Meme stock investors, i.e. Wall Street bets, basically right there. You can see Torch Stock joins meme stock trading, and the stock jumped up. The so-called meme stock have become in focus following Wall Street bets GameStop short squeeze in January. The group targets short sellers, mostly large institutional investors who bet that a stock's price would go down, and an image surge in buying, and the group run up the price of GameStop. And it seems like Torchlight is starting to catch the eyes of Wall Street bets. Another article here from the street. Torchlight shares continue run caught in a meme stock craze. It really is started to get spoke about on there. If you actually go onto the Wall Street bets page on the Reddit, you can see somebody here called Looney Froob burn the shorts, light the torch. Torch is the only short squeeze with a defined date. The shorts must cover by the end of the week, making gains and continuing to make gains. Join us, not financial advice. Now, this is true, okay? They have to cover because it's going to be the merging with Meta Material. So we could potentially see a big run up, more so than we already have. We are up crazy gains in the last week alone. Will this continue to go? We will find out, okay? But I can't see much selling going on in the next couple of days, because if you sell, you will not be eligible for that dividend. So who in their right mind is going to be selling Torch over the next 2 days? It really doesn't make much sense when you think about it like that, okay? You must hold this until the 25th if you want that dividend, and I imagine most investors probably do want that dividend. Now this is a post here from TRCH Meta, which is basically a kind of a page that we've been following on Twitter for some time. Shorts are forced to buy back before the 23rd, and if the short does not comply, their broker will automatically do this. Now this goes on to talk about the ex-dividend date. We've spoke about ex-dividend in the previous videos as well. Any investor who owns shares on the ex-dividend date will be entitled to receive the dividend. The ex-date will be the 2 business days before the record date for the dividend, which as we know is the 25th. So 23rd is the ex-dividend date right there. To avoid paying a dividend on borrowed and shorted shares, you should buy back the shares no later than the day before the ex-dividend date, which is why we could see a run-up. These short sellers could potentially be buying back these shares today so they do not have to pay out for the ex-dividend. That's just something to very much consider right now. If you are still short in a position on the ex-date, you will pay the dividend on the borrowed shares. Nobody wants to be paying out more money than they have to, so that's just something to consider. So quick updates around this one. Will we see a bit of a green movement in the next day or two? I think we will, but as I say, I'm not a financial advisor, but always do your own research, okay? It really doesn't make much sense to be selling over the next couple of days, okay? You might want to cut some of those losses because we could potentially see a sell-off on the 25th when people are just getting out of this for the dividend. But all of that is to come. Like I said, we'll be making a Q&A video later today, so drop any questions that you want answered in the comments below. Hopefully I'll get around to answering those as well. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. We're going to keep tracking this one. We have been following Torchlight since about early January now, but as we get closer and closer to this merger, we're going to keep you updated as well. If you appreciate this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. We do have a free Discord with a Torchlight channel in there, and I have a Patreon as well where you can get these ones early, and you can find out when I'm buying and selling stocks as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.